Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to get birds to find your Birdfy feeder, placement tips and attractive wild birds. So guys, if you want to get birds to find your Birdfy feeder, so guys, first strategy is birds need feel safe from predators before approaching to unfamiliar object. So position your feeder 10 to 15 feet away from the trees or bushes so they have an immediate place to hide and scope out the area. Second is camera angle. Avoid pointing the camera directly into the direct morning or the evening sunlight, and backlight will heavily degrade your video quality. Then guys, high value food choices. Use the premium seeds. Avoid cheap commercial mixes with the milo or cracked corns, which birds often choose out, instead using the black and which bird choose out instead using the black oil sunflower seeds. So the trial of the seed: when your first set of feeder scattered some seeds on the ground, so on the roof of the rim of the feeder, the visual chew helps to bird flying overhead spot the food sources the much faster. Then guys, creating a welcoming environment. Add water. Bird are highly attuned to the sound and sight of the uh, moving bath of swallow and bolo will draw in the species that might be not even be hungry but will stop your feeder while drinking or bathing. Be patient, it can take anywhere from few days to weeks for the local birds to trust and a new feeder. Give the wildlife time to discover the area without moving it around too much. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.